In this video, I'll show you some of the best built-in Windows tools and settings to improve your PC's performance. We'll speed up startup, clean unnecessary files, scan for malware. And I'll also show you how to properly optimize your hard drive or SSD for the best possible performance. So make sure you watch until the end because every step helps make your PC faster. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Let's create a system restore point first. This gives you a safety net, so if anything goes wrong, you can restore your PC to its previous state in just a few clicks. Simply search for Create a Restore Point from the Start menu and open it. Select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive. If protection is turned off, click Configure. Choose Turn on System Protection and allocate around 5 to 10% of disk space. Click Apply and then OK. Now, click Create. Give your restore point a name like before optimization and click Create again. Windows will take a few moments to save everything. If anything goes wrong, you can restore everything back from System Restore. Once it's finished, we're ready to optimize the system. The first thing we're going to do is change the power mode. By default, many Windows computers use the balanced power plan. It's great for saving electricity, especially on laptops, but it can also limit your processor's performance to improve battery life. If you're using a desktop or even a laptop while it's plugged in, switching to a higher performance mode can make Windows feel much more responsive. For that, open your settings and go to System tab. Here, find Power and Battery and open it. Now, you will see Power mode. Click on it and change both plugged in and on battery to best performance. It allows Windows to prioritize performance over power saving, which can make applications launch faster and improve overall responsiveness. Next, let's stop unnecessary programs from slowing your PC every time it starts. A lot of software automatically adds itself to Windows startup. Apps like chat clients, launchers, update services, and other background utilities all start running the moment you turn on your computer. The more startup apps you have, the longer Windows takes to boot, and the more memory and CPU resources are used before you've even opened anything. Right-click on Windows Start button and open Task Manager. Then switch to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of programs along with their startup impact. Go through the list carefully. If you find programs that you don't need running immediately after startup, right-click them and choose Disable. Just be careful not to disable Windows services, your antivirus audio drivers, or graphics drivers. Focus on third-party applications that you recognize but don't need all the time. After disabling unnecessary startup apps, you'll usually notice a much faster boot time and fewer programs running in the background. Viruses, spyware, and unwanted software can constantly use your processor, memory, internet connection, and storage without you even realizing it. Even if your PC seems fine, running a scan every once in a while is always a good idea. Search for Windows Security and open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Scan Options. You will see 4 options. I will click on Quick Scan, but if you have enough time, I recommend you to go with Full Scan. A full scan takes longer than a quick scan, but it checks your entire system much more thoroughly. Click Scan Now. Now it will scan each file of my PC. After scan is complete, if Windows Security finds anything suspicious, simply follow the recommended actions to remove or quarantine the threat. Now, let's clean up unnecessary files that are wasting valuable storage space. As you use Windows, it creates temporary files, update leftovers, cache files, error reports, and many other files that are no longer needed. Over time, these can take up several gigabytes of storage. We'll start with Disk Cleanup. Open Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your Windows drive. After Windows finishes scanning, you'll see different categories of files that can be safely removed. Select the items you want to clean. For more deep cleanup, click on Cleanup System Files. Now, select files you want to remove. Temporary files, DirectX shader cache, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, recycle bin contents, and Windows Update Cleanup are all generally safe to remove. Click OK, then choose Delete Files. If you've never done this before, you might recover several gigabytes of storage in just a few minutes. Finally, let's optimize your storage drive. If your computer uses a traditional hard drive, Windows can reorganize fragmented files, making it easier for the drive to access data. If you're using an SSD, Windows doesn't defragment it. Instead, it performs an optimization process called trim, which helps maintain long-term SSD performance. Search for defragment and optimize drives and open it. Select your drives one by one and click Optimize. Windows will automatically choose the correct optimization method depending on whether you have a hard drive or an SSD, so there's no need to worry about damaging your drive. This process usually only takes a few minutes, and it's good practice to run it occasionally. And that's it. Today, we optimized Windows without installing any third-party software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.